Hey there everybody, Noah Luke, your Bertram specialist for MarineMax, and I wanted to invite you on a personalized sea trial for the 39 center console. Not many have been able to experience what the offshore luxury standard should be with the Bertram 39. With a 13.3 beam and 40 foot 10 inches in overall length, this is setting the standard in offshore comfort. As you can see, your bow here has molded in or recessed bow seating, and all the fishing features are going to be toward the back of the boat. This boat has the ability to fish hard when you want it to, or take the family out to the sandbar. Moving toward the aft of the boat, you're going to notice that in the sub 40 foot center console class, it's not often you have 4 seats wide at the helm with a fabulous cabin down below. So come on down to MarineMax. We have a few left over in stock here, and come experience what setting the standard in offshore luxury is all about in the center console. We'll see you there.